Hello ladies and gents, this is me, Evan, your friend in some really exciting tutorials out there. In this video I'm about to show you how to disable 3 factors that makes me hate the new versions of Photoshop, and of course I'm talking about the new screen, I'm talking about the new document, and I'm talking about last for the Rich Tooltips. Well, 3 things that Adobe had offered to us in order to make Photoshop easier and more versatile to others. I don't know, I'm kind of an oldie, an old user of Photoshop. 20 years now I'm using Photoshop, and I kind of like the way it looks right now. I don't want to see any other really little things on the screen. I don't want to mess with other things that I'm not used to. So I'm pretty sure that there are out there too many people that would like to return the new versions to Photoshop, or Photoshop to an old state. So let's do it. I will just close Photoshop and I will show you what I mean. Of course, I don't need to have a Gmail open. I will open Photoshop again, and you will see that in a little while you will start to look something different inside Photoshop, a new screen that you're not used to. I know that the new users of Photoshop may be like that, but I'm an old user, I hate that, and the more I look at it, the more I hate it. And of course I hate also the new document window, which is also not good, Adobe. It is too complicated, and of course it consumes much more RAM than the old one. So please, we want our RAM to edit our huge photos, okay? So don't do that to us. I will just open a picture. Wonderful. And then I will show you the Rich tooltip, and then I will show you how to disable all 3 of them. If I will just take the cursor and land it to the tools, you will see a new preview of every tool, which is really frustrating to me to see that every day I'm about to change the tool. You see that in every tool just comes out. Sometimes it doesn't, sometimes it does, but it is really frustrating to me. I just want an environment that it is minimal and doesn't breaks my balls. Sorry, Adobe, about that. So there is a really simple solution to these 3 kind of problems. We just go to Edit, we go then to Preferences, and then go to General. Of course, we can just click the shortcut Control-K, Command-K in Macintosh, and then we will just select the disable the home screen, and of course use the legacy new document interface, and of course we just need to go to the tools and disable the use Rich tooltips, and that's it. I'll just close that, and I'll just close Photoshop because we see again this wonderful home screen, which I hate. I'll just close Photoshop and reopen it, and the problems will go away, will fade away, my friends, and Photoshop will be again the right Photoshop that we are used to. You see, the old home screen is back. Simple tooltips on the left, the panels on the right, and I'm ready to rock and roll, and I'm ready to play with the software without all this mess with the old photos and other distracting elements inside the screen. I don't want that. I hate it, okay? And then if we go to File, New, you'll realize that our legacy new document window is back. Not anymore this silly, huge new document that makes me more confused than I was before I select the new document. And of course, if I will just go and open, let's say, a photo, let's just go and open the same photo again and go to the left side of the tooltips, you will see that the tooltips are gone, the Rich tooltips. I have only the small ones with a name and the shortcut, which is really good for me, but not those huge animated, my gosh, tooltips, which are really bad for the reputation of the software. Now you're ready to work without distractions and of course create the most beautiful Photoshop projects and creation that you have ever done. Have fun, my friend, and keep photoshopping.